Hello, I'm Marcus. Have you think about creating a free app for hobbies but make some advertising revenue? If yes, but you do not have the motivation to do that, this video may help you. I am going to create an app with advertisement in 8 minutes. It may convince you to create your first app. So, let's start. Okay, my phone is here and Unity is here. Ready? Start. New project. 2D project. Create. And now we go to the description below my web page. Okay, find the link here. Open. And find the package here. Download. Okay. Sign in. And create a new application. So let's say maybe Admob. Yeah, choose Android, add, and then create a add unit banner here. Okay, create. Okay, now I have my app ID and the banner ID here, and let's see the Unity. Unity is still loading. Okay, first I need to change the project setting at this scene and shift to the Android platform. Okay, close it. Now open the package that we just downloaded. Import all the things. Now go to my package here, put the prefab here, then two more settings. Go to SS, Google mobile app, setting, and open this one, and copy the ID here, then go to the prefab here, copy the banner ID here, paste here. Okay, now 2 and 1. Just keep on a demo, save. Okay, let's go. Okay, the app is opening. The banner above here. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, it's here. There is much more function that you can do with Admob, but the point is, you can prove that you can make money by creating an app. Then you may decide to invest more time on it or not. That's all for today. Please consider subscribing if you like this channel. Bye bye.
Whether you're a programmer, game designer, texture artist or 3D modeler, you're welcome to share your creations with everybody in the Unity developer community. You can sell 3D models, editor extensions, audio and many other types of content. It's easy, just submit your awesome creations to the asset store and we'll take care of the rest. Package test failed. This package is too simple for our current standards. Please spend more time researching the current game market, polishing and tweaking your package to a high degree of quality. Until you make improvements, we have chosen not to publish this asset.